I'm finna title this video, but I'm assuming y'all popped in here because y'all are curious to see what I'm finna say, right? So here's the deal. As you guys already know that have followed me here for a while on social media, etc., y'all know that I have hosted several 30-day challenges over these last couple of months that have had some major success, okay? We have some amazing men and women that are taking part in these challenges, that have taken part in these challenges and have had some amazing success. We have women that have lost 30+ pounds doing my challenge. We have women that have lost 20+ pounds, inches upon inches upon inches, but more importantly than anything, okay? They are living their best and their healthiest life, literally from doing these challenges, okay? And that in addition to the fact that, I mean, we've just become one big old happy family, just raising each other up, lifting each other up, just spreading positivity, okay? It's been absolutely an amazing experience, okay? So what's up, y'all? What's up, Team Transformation Fam Bam? Okay. Anyway, I have been working on something for a while now that I wanted to finally be able to announce to y'all, and it's finally finalized. I can finally announce it, and here's the deal. This is gonna be a little bit different, okay? This particular challenge that we're doing is gonna be a little bit different, okay? And the reason for that is because not only is it going to be a longer challenge, not only is it going to be during the holiday season when it's the hardest to stick to anything health and fitness related, right? But you are also going to be able to win cash money, dollar bills, y'all, okay? This is why it's been so long, because I've literally been trying to put this together and get this crack-a-lackin', and finally everything is finalized. So here's the deal, all right? We are doing a holiday 60-day challenge, not 30 days, not 45 days, 60 days. Now, this challenge begins on October 15th. It ends December 14th. Now, why, you ask? Why those particular dates, you ask? Why 60 days, you ask? There's plenty of reason. Okay, here are the reasons. Okay, number one, it's holiday time. This is when it starts to get a little chillier outside. Okay, you got all kinds of holidays coming up. You got Halloween, you got Christmas, Thanksgiving, all kinds of things that can throw you off your health and fitness goals. That can have you just sitting on the couch, eating bonbons, drinking wine, and just doing everything to derail whatever you've done over the course of the spring and the summer to keep yourself in shape, right? Y'all always know all of us got a little extra something, a little poundage after the holiday season from all the good eats we done ate over the Thanksgiving and holiday season, right? We know that, right? So this is a way to stay on top of your stuff, okay? And possibly win some money in the process, because guess what? There will be 4 winners for this 60-day challenge, and those winners will win up to $500, okay? And the reason that this 60-day challenge ends December 14th before Christmas is so that the winners, the 4 winners of this challenge, can take that money and they can use it for Christmas shopping, or hell, if they don't want to Christmas shop for other people, they can just save that stuff for themselves or use it for themselves. Give themselves a little something for the holiday, okay? So, once again, this is our 60-day holiday challenge, all right? Again, it begins October 15th. It ends December 14th, so you have plenty of time to spend all that coin that you're gonna win, because I know you're gonna win, and I know you're gonna go hard in the paint to win, okay? And again, there will be 4 winners selected at the end of this 60 days, all right? So, here's what's gonna be offered as part of this challenge, okay? Throughout the course of this 60 days on this holiday challenge, you are going to be given a meal plan. You are going to be given a workout plan. You are going to be given a grocery list that gives you exactly what you can and cannot eat, of course, and everything else in between. You are going to get a snack list that's going to give you exactly what types of snacks you can have. Lots of variety, okay? I've been working on this list for a minute and a day and a half, okay? So it's gonna give you lots and lots of variety, okay? But it'll give you ideas of things to snack on that are still healthy and will still help you maintain and hit your health and fitness goals, okay? And the whole point of me doing this is because this is the time of year where we all become a little bit lazier when it comes to going to the gym, working out, watching what we eat because of the holidays, right? It gets a little colder. You want to just stay booed up at home, just eat bonbons and drink a little wine, apple cider, drink whatever. Y'all know what I mean? Have your little Halloween candy. We got Halloween, we got Thanksgiving, we got all kinds of stuff coming up, okay? And so this is the way to combat whatever it is you normally gain during this time of year and to possibly win some money, honey, okay? Cash money. Like I said, there will be 4 winners that will be selected at the end of this challenge. The challenge begins October 15th. It ends December 14th. Why does it end December 14th? So that we can pick the 4 winners that win this money so that you guys can get that money before the holiday season so you can do as you wish with it, whether it's for Christmas shopping or whatever the case may be. You have your own choice of whatever the hell you want to do with it, but it's going to happen before the holiday, so your pockets might be a little heavier, you know, around that time of year, all right? So the other things that we're going to be offering along with this challenge is the fact that, number one, you're going to get one-on-one support from your girl, all right? In addition to the fact that you're going to get private group support. You guys know how important that whole part of it is. All of our challenges, our challenges have been just amazing. Literally, it's become one big old happy family. We support each other. We love on each other. It's not just about health and fitness. There's literally a camaraderie there. We share real life stories, real life situations. We truly have gotten to know each other during these challenges. So they are literally extended family members of mine, okay? And I hope they feel the same way, right? And it's been absolutely amazing. We lift each other up. We share recipes. I share workouts, so you'll get a lot of bonus stuff from me throughout the course of the challenge. I share workouts. We share recipes. We show meal prep. We do all kinds of stuff, instructional videos. You're going to see all of that within the private group, okay? In addition to the fact that there are going to be other people in the group that are trying to beat you, okay? They trying to win this money too, boo-boo, which is going to make it even more fun because it's going to be a little bit competitive, but it's going to help you stay on top of your stuff. And it's all going to be positivity spread all the way around because we're all going to be supporting each other and loving on each other and helping each other get through this, okay? That, in addition to the fact that you are also going to have weekly weigh-ins for all of those 60 days. So every week, you guys are going to be weighing in, so there's going to be accountability as part of this challenge, okay? And there's so much more. Here's what you do to join. You go ahead and you hit the link that's at the top of the description box. It is literally a 8, 9, 10 question survey. It is the quickest, easiest survey you will ever in your life do, okay? And literally, once we get the survey, I will follow up with you, or Juice will follow up with you, or both of us will follow up with you to tell you exactly what it is that you need to do to get started to become a part of the 60-day holiday challenge, okay? Again, it starts October 15th and December 14th. You are able to join anytime. So if it just so happens to be that all of a sudden you're like, you know what, I'm not gonna be able to join until the 20th of October, you can still join, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's not about how many days you did the challenge. That's not gonna determine whether you win or not. It's just how hard in the paint you go and your before and your after photo, okay? So you can join at any time, okay? And I'll frequently remind you throughout the course of those 60 days to just jump on and come on board, okay? And even if you're not even trying to win the money, if you're just trying to literally just get healthy and fit, join us, okay? Another thing I should let you guys know is your before pictures, your photos are not shared, okay? So don't think that everyone that's in our private group is gonna see your photos. No, they will not. Other than that, all you gotta do is click the link in the description box, fill out the survey, okay? It's super duper fast, right? We'll follow up with you and help you get started. Easy peasy. Y'all wanna win this money? Hit the link that's in the description box. Get to filling out that survey. It takes all of 5 seconds. I will follow up with you, or Juice will follow up with you, tell you exactly what you're gonna need to do, and we will get you set up. And you guys have plenty of time because it starts October 15th. And I'm gonna be just as much a part of this 60-day challenge as Juice is finna be as well, okay? Just like we're participating in our current challenge with our challengers, all right? So it's gonna be off the chain, it's gonna be super competitive, and we need y'all to win this money. So if you need to make some Christmas money, boo-boo, go ahead and hit that link down in the description box down below. We will follow up with you to get you started. Go ahead and sign up, fill out the survey. I'm gonna get you guys crack-a-lacking, and let's win this damn money, all right? Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.